shall we do the carrot?
Yep.
And while she's doing that, again, this carrot. Now, this is where you can really see the dimension come into place. We're going to add, this carrot is quite cute and it's nice as it is, but again, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit more depth to that carrot by adding some color in it. Okay, what we're going to do is those dusts that we were talking about earlier, the artist chalks that I said can be graded down. Those are non-toxic, so those are acceptable to use. It's really what these dusts are. Again, the top of the carrot, we're going to add a little bit more character by giving it this is an avocado green, and this is the luster, as opposed to the petal dust that we had used. And now we've got a highlighted carrot. This egg, because it's Easter, and Easter is the perfect time to bling anything out, we're going to add some bling to that egg. And what we're going to do is just take a brush and, thank you.
It's a little small.
That's all right, it will work. And what you're going to do is wet this brush just with some water, and we'll put a little bit of, I don't like dipping directly into the jar itself. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start painting that onto the little bric-a-brac trim there. And this, again, when this dries, it gives it such a nice little touch. It just kind of pops it and makes it look more festive for the holiday. And we'll go ahead and dust that all the way out to the end. This seems like it's a little bit sticky and tacky, and it will dry quite nicely. And when it dries, you won't see the shine of the water, but you will see the glitter.
The bling.
Yeah.
So while she's finishing that up, I have the royal icing here. We're going to place the feet on first. So I'll just place them right about in the center. Place those on there. Okay, and then this is just white coating chocolate that I've melted down. There's two ways that you can put this together, either using the white coating chocolate or you can use royal icing. I like using the chocolate because it tastes good, and it also it's quicker to set up. But in some cases, if you're in a really hot climate, then the white chocolate might not work for you, so you may want to go with the royal icing. Okay, and you just might need to prop the bunny up with something else until it sets. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the white chocolate here, and I'm going to place it right where we made these little grooves. And then as soon as Laure'l's done there, she can pop that. Let's trade sides on this and bring this closer to us. Okay, so what we're going to do is set that right in there. Make sure these were close enough together. You could always have a clean brush or something else that if any of the chocolate comes out, you can just kind of wipe that off right away. All right, so what we need to do is, Laure'l, can I have you hold that there for a second while I get some supports? We have to support this. I usually will keep one wood support behind it the whole time, and sometimes I'll use a second one to support it just until it dries. But it's because I want to angle the head. I don't want the head just completely flat against the body. I want to angle it back a little bit. And that's the same thing too with this. I don't have this so it's straight up and down. I actually angle it back a little bit. That way when you look at it, you can actually see more of the face. It just looks funny if it's just straight on. It needs to just, the whole thing angle back a little bit. So because we're doing that, we need to put something behind it to support it. So this is just one of the regular dowels. What I'm going to do is place it behind here, and I need it to stick up a little bit. So somewhere about here. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put some chocolate on it. And I'll slide it right behind the cookie between the legs down there. Go ahead and let go for a second, Laure'l. Thanks. Okay, so I'll hold it like this. I'll take some more chocolate and place it here in front here.